Do you want to know how you can redeem your code on Spotify? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can redeem the code and get into premium version of Spotify. So let's go ahead and open any browser on your PC. Then go to the search bar and search for Redeem Spotify Gift Card. Click on the first link which says Spotify Redeem. After you click on it, you can see this type of page. Enter the PIN on the back of your gift card or enter the premium code from your in-store receipt. What you need to do is enter the premium code over here. After you have entered the premium code, click on I'm not a robot and click continue. If your premium code is valid, you can now redeem the code and you can get the premium version of Spotify. If the code is not correct, you can see if you click continue, Spotify will tell you, unfortunately, this premium code does not seem to be valid. Try again or contact customer service. So you can enter the genuine code over here and click continue. This way you can redeem your premium code on Spotify. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.